So the folks over at Tudia have sent over, obviously their most popular case right now is the Merge Grip. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on the Pixel 10 for you guys. This is the package that it comes in. I decided to go ahead and just open it right now on camera for you for the packaging. Simple packaging, nothing fancy here. And these are all the colors that they sent over, and I appreciate them doing so. If you just got your Pixel 10 and you're wondering, what case should I get? Well, you're going to have a lot of options. This is for certain. This video is being recorded, if you would like to know, with the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. We're going to use it this way. So first, let's take a look at the cases here before I put it on the phone. Now remember, these are two-piece cases, but you don't have to take them apart. But I started taking them apart to create different combinations. And so I started doing this a while back. And it just kind of, yeah, it's a thing. As soon as you get them, if you get more than one, make a new case. Now this indigo looking one has a black center already. So look at that. I now have several different cases from two cases. So this is pretty cool. Now you have the power button and volume rock in there. You have camera protection, obviously. It's going to be really nice. You got your ports out here, and make sure that port is open right there if you have a Pixel 10. Yeah, make sure it is. So inside the case here, obviously you've got some soft touch. These are like little air pockets. So if you end up dropping the phone, all these little pockets in here should help with the impact, and you can really see the pockets down here in this corner right here. So we're gonna say Pixel Snap. No, where's it? I thought I saw it. Oh, they didn't send over the ones with the MagSafe in it, but I believe they do make them with MagSafe. But let's get and put it on. Because before they sent over the MagSafe versions of it. Now, obviously, color combinations are going to be a thing. So obviously, this black and green and whatever. But as you can see, a little bit of the blue on here, but it doesn't look bad. Actually, it's okay. Yeah, you can have solid black, or you can mix and match. You can do a blue and green on that one right there. That probably would be pretty nice. Now the green looks really good. Yeah, that looks sleek. Yeah. All right. So for those that are only going to buy one case, and you decide you're just going to buy the black, or you're going to buy just the green. See how easy it is to go in and out of these cases? It's incredible. Really nice. So you have full lip protection around the front there. Now this does have a tempered glass on it from a different OEM, so it lets you know that it actually works good. Nice traveling feedback on there, buttons. So that's good. Now this is the Merge Grip for a reason, because it has a fair amount of grip, which is actually pretty good. It's nice. Very nice. This is how the black would look. The indigo is probably going to be a popular color, so that's why I'm kind of trying all these on. Now let's go ahead and put on this blue one here. Honestly, the blue one is the one I'm most excited about with this combination here, because I know it's going to just look great. That's very sleek. That is very sleek. Yeah, that's very nice. So this is it. This is the lineup. Make sure that you use the link in the description to grab your cases, because why not? Buy multiple cases for your phones, folks, because the situation might warrant you going somewhere where you want to feel some type of way, or you pull your phone out, you don't have too loud of a case or too subtle of a case. Depending on where you're going, you can have what you want, because these cases really are clutch, because you can mix and match these however you want. Straight up. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out to Tudia for sending over the Merge Grip lineup once again. Links in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.